Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get Cyborg Race Blox Fruits. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to get the Cyborg Race, you will need these 3 items: a Fist of Darkness, a Core Brain, and a lot of fragments. Note that there are only 2 ways of obtaining the Fist of Darkness. You can either get it by defeating a sea beast or waiting 4 hours in a server for the fist to spawn in a random chest. I recommend sea beasts as waiting for it to spawn takes too long. Sea beasts spawn with a 2.5% chance to drop the Fist of Darkness. Note that they can only be obtained in the 2nd sea, as sea beasts from 3rd sea do not drop it. Once you've gotten the Fist of Darkness, head to the top of the stone building in the hot side of Hot and Cold Island. Enter the building and click on the green button located in front of the host tube. If done successfully, a pop-up message will appear telling you to supply a Core Brain. To get the Core Brain, you will need to defeat Order Aka Lore Raid Boss. To spawn the Lore Boss, go to the area where the Smoke Admiral spawns. Then above his lair is a secret entrance. Enter it and interact with the arithmetic NPC to exchange 1,000 frags for a Lore Raid microchip. If you're low on fragments, you can ask your friend to help you buy the chips, as it doesn't have to be you. Once you've gotten the microchip, go back to the secret room in the stone building. If you're hosting the raid, enter the dark blue tube and press the green button. The lore boss has 265,000 health and is very tanky. Killing it with friends is recommended as it is faster and saves you less time, as there is a high chance you might not obtain it on your first try. It has a 2.5% chance to drop the Core Brain, so I recommend doing this in a private server, as there are less hackers there to interrupt you and affect your progress. The lore boss uses the Control Fruit and does a lot of damage over time, so you should probably use the Buddha Fruit, as it gives you extra protection and kills the boss faster than any other fruit. Once you get the Core Brain, go back once again to the secret room in the stone building. Hold out the Core Brain and tap the green button once more. This will then open up a secret stairwell. Interact with the gray tube NPC, and it will sell you the Cyborg Race for 2,500 fragments. So that's basically how you can get Cyborg Race Blox Fruits. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.